Hi, Todd Smith here with Lenco Marine. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Bennett Hydraulic to Lenco Electric Conversion and Performance Upgrade Kit. And listening to customers dissatisfied with leaky pumps and slow actuators, Lenco designed a kit where you can replace those hydraulic parts, convert it over to electric without having to buy a whole new system. Now that your system's electric, you're compatible with our indicator and standard switch, which features electronic brake and auto retract. This kit utilizes Lenco's user-friendly, powerful, and precise electric actuators, giving you instant response not found in hydraulic systems. Lenco's faster and more precise actuators enables you to trim your boat to its most fuel-efficient cruising position, resulting in less fuel consumption. This kit is available in 12 and 24 volt, and the hydraulic pump, tubing, and fluids are not required. This kit eliminates hydraulic fluids leaking into the boat bilge and being discharged into the waterways.